Hey, I'm James with P&W Outdoor Reviews, the channel for honest and simple reviews. And today I'm talking about the Range Medic Advanced Kit from MyMedic. So this is a great kit, especially for those who are going to the range, because this kit is specifically designed for most situations you may encounter if something were to go wrong at the range. I went with the advanced kit because it comes with more of the vital medical supplies you would need in a worst case scenario. God forbid that ever happens to anybody. But with the advanced kit, you get the rapid tourniquet, you get the chest seal, and you also get additional blood clotting wrap as well. So again, three very vital tools to help control the bleeding. You know, if you maybe get a bad ricochet or something like that, you know, you got to have something. You know, it's honestly, it's stupid if you do not have some type of med kit designed for the range for those who enjoy the sport of shooting. So this is a really nice kit, and for a couple reasons. First off, again, it's small, it's compact, so it won't take up much space in your gear. I just keep it on the outside of my Rush 24 backpack, just with the MOLLE strapping, which I love this bag. You know, it's so well designed because you unbuckle it and then you got the rapid, you know, deployment. So you can rip this off your backpack and rush to whomever may need help if you need to use it that way. So again, just the bag itself is very well designed. Oop, try to do this one-handed here. All right, so it opens up and you can see it just access to everything. Super easy. I'll do another video if you guys really want to. I'll leave a link to the MyMedic website, and it tells you every single item with pictures of what's inside this bag. But I kind of just wanted to show you guys a quick kind of visual of what this bag looks like. But again, you got, you know, compression bandages, you got multiple types of ointments for burns and tweezers, and I mean, like I said, the list goes on. There's a lot of stuff stuffed inside of this little tiny bag. So again, this is truthfully a must-have. You know, whether it's this kit or another kit or you make your own, great. But for those who are interested, and again, another bonus to the MyMedic company is if you have like an FSA, HSA, you know, type of spending cash account, this is all approved. And that's what I have. You know, like I said, working for the county, I'm able to use those funds to buy med kits, you know, for, well, to be safe. Let's face it, guys, it's truthfully a must-have. I can't say that enough. But I really love these kits from MyMedic. They're very well thought out. I mean, they're designed by men and women in the military, you know, so they know what they're doing. And everything you need, like I said, especially for range day type activities, you'll find in this kit for the most part. So, and again, there's still room to add some stuff if you have a preference of maybe a different tourniquet, or, you know, there's room to add stuff to it. So, but yeah, guys, I'll leave a link to, like I said, to their website in the description down below if you want more details. They sell a numerous amount of other kits. So if this isn't the one you want, maybe you want a different style, they got them. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for checking out the review. I appreciate all the support you all show the channel. I appreciate, you know, for everyone who is a subscriber or maybe becoming a subscriber, thank you. You know, again, it helps this channel have great opportunities like this. So thank you so much for watching, and I want you to have a great day.